Hello, third graders. Those of you that were at the Google Meet and already have practiced this, and that's awesome. If you weren't there, that's okay. This is a song from Austria. I guess it's not from Austria. It's about yodeling in Austria, not Australia. That's the big country you guys studied in second grade. Austria is a teeny tiny country in Europe by Germany. And you see this little bird's eye. It looks like a bird's eye here. That is called the fermata. And if you see that over a note or a word in music, you have to hold that note for a really long time. If it's a 2-beat note, like a half note, you would have to hold it for 3, 4, 5, or more beats. So we're going to do Once an Austrian Went Yodeling. If you already learned it, sing with me right now. If you haven't learned it yet, we will just listen and then you can join in when you know it. Here we go. Once an Austrian went yodeling on a mountain so high, when he met with an avalanche interrupting his cry. Oh, and you're drum rolling on your legs. La-dee. And we're going to yodel. Yodel-a-hee-tee-o, yodel-a-coo-coo-coo-coo. And the avalanche rumble, rumble. Yodel-a-hee-tee-o-lo. Once an Austrian went yodeling on a mountain so high, when he met with a skier interrupting his cry. Oh, la-dee, yodel-a-hee-tee-o, yodel-a-coo-coo-coo-coo. Whoosh, whoosh, yodel-a-hee-tee-o-lo. Now we're on to verse number 3 as St. Bernard. Once an Austrian went yodeling on a mountain so high, when he met with a Saint Bernard interrupting his cry. Oh, la-dee, yodel-a-hee-tee-o, yodel-a-coo-coo-coo-coo. Woof, woof, yodel-a-hee-tee-o-lo. Once an Austrian went yodeling on a mountain so high, when he met with a grizzly bear interrupting his cry. Oh, la-dee, yodel-a-hee-tee-o, yodel-a-coo-coo-coo-coo. Grr, yodel-a-hee-tee-o-lo. Once an Austrian went yodeling on a mountain so high, when he met with a milkmaid interrupting his cry. Oh, la-dee. Get ready to yodel. Yodel-a-hee-tee-o, yodel-a-coo-coo-coo-coo. Psst, 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 psst. That one's silly. You're milking a cow. Yodel-a-hee-tee-o-lo. Once an Austrian went yodeling on a mountain so high, when he met with a dinosaur interrupting his cry. Oh, la-dee, yodel-a-hee-tee-o, yodel-a-coo-coo-coo-coo. And I don't know why they did E here. It's sort of weird, but we can do it. E, yodel-a-hee-tee-o-lo. So now I know some of you already made one up, so you can do the same one you did at our Google Meet, or you can pick a new one. My favorite one that someone made up at the Google Meet was Ellie, I believe it was, and she made up a unicorn, and her action was sparkle, sparkle. So we said, when he met with a unicorn interrupting his cry. Oh, la-dee, yodel-a-hee-tee-o, yodel-a-coo-coo-coo-coo. Sparkle, sparkle, yodel-a-hee-tee-o-lo. So your job today is to make up either the same, you can practice the same one you did before, or make up a new one with an action. And I want you to practice singing the whole song with it. So start at Once an Austrian went yodeling and go all the way down to yodel-a-hee-tee-o-lo. So I would practice that a few times today, because then tomorrow or Friday on Flipgrid, you will be showing me the action you made up and singing that whole thing by yourself. Okay? Have fun, and I hope you have a great day. Bye.